Let's start off hot. Let's start off hot. Come on, come on. You know what time it is. The rare candy. The Dusclops. The Chatots. Yanma. Ponyard. Bidoof. The Potion. The Scyther. And the Leafeon V-Star. Oh, that's crazy. Look at that bad boy right there. Look, this is not the illustration rare though, but he is a really nice looking card. Boom, Dark Energy, Digging Duo, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Whelmer, Shanks, Corfish, Ponyard, Seal, the Raihan Trainer. Is there I think there's a full version of him too, a Secret Art version. We got the V-Star right there. Okay. Let's see what we can pull. The Picturine, the Great Ball, the B-Sharp, the Baltoy, the Galarian Meowth, the Whelmer, the Shanks, Larvesta, the Riolu SIR. Absolutely gorgeous card, guys. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Whee! Guys, you want to see me pull some of the craziest packs I can out of Walmart? Go check that out. It's my second video ever, so go ahead and check that bad boy out. It was actually a great video. It took me a lot of time to create that. Metal Energy, okay. The Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Salazzle, Ponyard, Bidoof, Potion, Mr. Mime Galarian, Sunkern. I can't tell if this is an electric energy or a golden electric energy. I think it's not, because I think the board is supposed to be gold too. This is a good pack right here, guys. Fighting Energy, Lunatone, Solrock, Crocorock, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Whelmer, Shanks, Larvesta, the Comfy SIR. Great artwork, right? Like that's such a dope looking art style. Okay. Energy, Lunatone, Rescue Carrier, Salazzle, Coughing, Oddish, Salandit, Energy Search, Grubbin, the Hisuian SIR Voltorb. Look at all these SIRs we're getting. This is absolutely insanity, man. This is the SIR box right here. Gorgeous card. Look at that bad boy. Tell me if you guys like this angle or not, because I feel like this is a really dope angle. Somebody in the comments is gonna be like, they're not SIRs, those are full arts. I'm sorry. I apologize. I will do better next time, guys. Fire Energy, Ultra Ball, Salazzle, Dusclops, Salandit, Purloin, Grubbin, the Screlp, Helioptile, Reverse Rilo, and an Enamorous. All four of these packs all just have straight chases. Bang, 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 back to back. It'd be absolutely insanity. And that's what we need right now to keep my sanity, okay? Oh, all right. Electric Energy, Solrock, Trekking Shoes, Matang, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, the Galarian Meowth. Oh my goodness, the SIR BBRL. Bro, I'm telling you, this is the pack of SIRs. Jesus, what is going on, guys? Look at this. This is absolutely insanity. We're getting so many of them. Like, look how close it gets, and it's like really cool looking. Oh my goodness, I really like this. It's a gorgeous card right here, guys. I just want to avoid getting the glare, but this is a really nice looking card. We're on our third or fourth. Jesus, this is absolutely insanity, guys. And remember, guys, if you want a chance at any of these cards, comment in the comment section which card you like the most. Whether it be the Leafeon V-Star, the Riolu, the Comfy, the Hisuian Voltorb, or the Bibarel. Guys, put in the comment section which card you like the most. All you gotta do is hop in the Discord, and then you get to be a part of the giveaway. All right, let's go. All that is in the link in the description, and also make sure you hop into my IG. I think the IG is at the Famous Trader Official, and also the TikTok at the Famous Trader. And the only reason I want you to do that is just if we get to 1,000 on TikTok, I can finally do live streams, and where we can do live pack openings. Electric Energy, Matang, Energy Switch, Trekking Shoes, ooh, Shanks, Pancham, Snorunt, Ponyard, the Reverse Larvesta, and the Greedent V. Oh, he looks so adorable. He looks like Santa's little helper. Tell me they don't look like Santa's little helper, guys. Look at him. Oh, that's so adorable. Look at him. I love it. I love it. Now that's a Christmas theme right there. It's not supposed to be Christmas themed, but it feels Christmas themed. You get what I'm saying? That's a gorgeous card. We haven't hit the chases yet, guys. We need to hit some of these chase cards. Oh, Psychic Energy, Dusclops, Metang, Energy Switch, Grubbin, Helioptile, Wooloo, Shinx, Pancham, the Deontay SIR. Bro, I'm telling you, this is the SIR pack right now, guys. We're going through an entire box of SIRs. This is insanity. In the Hoopa, I want to show you guys both angles every time so you guys can get a good look at what this second angle really looks like sometimes. It's super dope and it focuses way better, in my personal opinion. It like super dope. I like it a lot. Look at that gorgeous card right there. Man, we already got one of these, but now we got two. Oh, the Koffing. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Rare Candy, Dusclops, Energy Switch, Koffing, Oddish, Salandit, Energy Search, Grubbin, the Reverse Hollow Zarude, and the Orangaroo. Nothing crazy, simple, cute little pack right there. Guys, thank you so much. I think we're nearing up on 100 subs right now. I don't know if we have hit it yet. If we did, thank you so much. If we haven't, let's get it. Let's keep going. But guys, it's been such a great journey. We're only getting started. 100 is just the beginning. We need to get to 1,000 next, and that's gonna be super dope to get to. And I wonder how fast we can get to it. Hopefully we can do it. I don't know. Maybe I put a timer on, and if we hit it before the date, then I just give away like a ton of stuff. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay. Jeez. Our good old fashioned Metal Energy, Trekking Shoes, Laron, Friends and Sinnoh, Larvesta, Oddish, Seal, Potion, Aron, another Oddish, and a Pangaru. Okay. Which one should we do first? Let's do this one because it was further back. Okay. Ooh. Okay, guys. Let's see. Let's see if you guys were right. Let's see if your guys' guesses were right of what card I was going to get. Electric Energy, Girafarig, Pincurine, Pokemon Catcher, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Emolga, Yungoos. No freaking way. No way. Bro, no way. We did it. Chat. Yo, no way. This is not real life. This is not real life, bro. This is not real life, bro. This is crazy. This is absolute insanity. No way do we actually do it. And the Dark Energy. Oh, man. No way, bro. Look at this. The Mewtwo V-Star. Guys, comment in the comment section right now if you guess the Mewtwo. Put in the comment section right now if you guess the Mewtwo, guys. This is absolute insanity. We finally pulled it. We finally did it. This is the ultimate dream. I was just hyping it up. We were just talking about it, guys. We pulled the Mewtwo V-Star. We pulled it. Guys, this is not a joke. This is not a game. This is real life, IRL, okay? That's crazy. It's such a dope card, too. Look at the artwork on it. And he's holding the Dark Energy Orb, you know what I'm saying? Throwing it at the freaking Charizard. Absolute amazing card right there. Gorgeous card. The artwork is amazing. The design is super dope. The holographic parts of it are really cool. Geez, that's an absolute banger of a card right there, guys. That's a crazy card. Crazy pulls for your boy Famous Trader. And you know what time it is. We're going to trade this boy to one of you guys, okay? So make sure you comment in the comment section which card you want the most. Literally, this is one of a kind right there, bro. That's part. Look at this. Look at it. Just look at it. I don't even know how to. You know what I'm saying. Just look at it. The extra Rayquaza luck right here, absolutely gorgeous. I don't know why I like saying gorgeous so much, but that's what it looks like. Like it just all just fits so perfectly. Like this is all meant to be. You know what I'm saying? Got the double energies. It's just all just so perfectly placed. I don't even know how I put this off, guys. It was accidental. Okay, but it works out perfect. And still got one more pack. Ooh. Let's see what we can get at this bad boy, guys. Can we double up? 2 V-Stars? 2 Mewtwo's? Because it's 2 of them. Get it? Ha 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 ha. I'm funny. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Ooh, guys, let me know if you guys guessed it. Okay, we got the V-Star energy in that bad boy. Let me know if you guys guessed the Mewtwo V-Star or not. I really want to know. Don't lie now, but I really want to know if you guys actually guessed it correctly or not. And let me know what time in the video in which you guessed it. So if you were like 10 minutes in and you said, I think it's the Mewtwo, comment when you guessed that. Now, because if you did it when I pulled it, that don't really count. But if you did it like 2 minutes in the video, then good shit. Okay, V-Star, Lexio, Electric, Rescue Carrier, Corphish, Oddish, Seal, Cricketot, the Aeron, the Executor, and the Volcarona. And that's how we're going to end it off right there, guys. Absolute craziness, insanity right here. I don't even know what to say. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. It's been your boy Famous Trader. I'm kind of mad now, but I love the second angle, but I'm kind of mad that you guys couldn't see my reaction to it and my face. I literally like you guys know how I get. I started cheesing up and I almost started like tearing up a little bit. So guys, you already know what time it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit that like, subscribe, and make sure you follow my other channels on my Instagram at The Famous Trader Official and my TikTok at Famous Trader. Guys, thanks so much for watching this thing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Y'all be safe now. Let's get it.